an emerald. Paired with my netherite ingot from before, I now had a point value of 14. Statistically, Rasplin had around a 3.5% chance of having a better hand than me. Winning this was pretty much guaranteed.
Okay. I want you to bet everything that you own. The armor you're wearing, your totems, whatever you have, the shulker box. I want you putting everything on the line right now. And in exchange, I will give you the thing that you want, the key to the vault.
It is literally just a piece of paper. He crafted that with 3 sugar
Rasplin
canes,
is
bro.
going all in. Would you like to match or fold?
Parrot, there's no way, dude. He is lying. The game is rigged. You are... What are you doing, bro?
It has matched.
Rasplin had a netherite ingot and a diamond.